Hello YouTubers and welcome back to our 90. So in this tutorial I will show you a telegram bot from which you will be earning Z coins, and if you don't know, it is a coin similar to any other cryptocurrency and the price of one ZDC coin is almost $70. But first, if you haven't joined our telegram channel, join it as soon as you can, because here I am posting all the bots, earning sites and payment proofs of different bots and earning sites, plus the sites that are becoming scam and the bots that have stopped paying. I am updating all of that here in this telegram channel, so don't forget to join. Coming back onto the bot, you can see that this is the bot, and after starting in the menu you can see that there are three options to earn: visit sites, message bots, and the join chats. So you are earning a lot from this bot. As any other bot, there is almost no limit. There is a limit, but the limit is very high, means that you can earn a lot from this bot with visit sites, message bots, and join chats. So the minimum that you can get from this bot is 0.00035 ZDC coins, and let me how to earn, so I don't have to show how you have to earn from this bot. So I will directly head to the withdraw. So in the balance you can see that my balance is 0.000354642 ZDC coins. So in the history you can see that I haven't made any transactions yet, and hitting the withdraw you can see that your balance is 0.000354642. Let me remind you, the minimum is 0.00035 ZDC coins, means that you need to have 35,000 ZDC coins to request your withdraw. That are almost equal to 2 cents, and you can easily make this in 1 or 2 hours, depends on how much you work and how you work. So let me add my ZDC Zcash address. You can add any address that you want. Zcash is available on Coinbase and many other exchanges and wallets. You can use any that you want. So I have added my Zcash address, and here you can see enter the amount to withdraw. The minimum is 0.00035, so I'm gonna request the total minimum 0.00035. Send it, and you can see the confirmation. There will be a fee of 740 Zcash coins, so confirm, and your withdraw has been requested. With the history command you can view your withdraw. It is in pending. Oh, it is not in pending, it is instant. So let's see if you receive. Here we received the mail from Coinbase saying that we got 34,260 ZDC coins. So this is the payment proof, and this is the bot. You can earn a lot, but again it all depends on how much you work and how you work. So don't forget to hit the like button. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and don't forget to join our telegram channel. Stay tuned, more legit earning sites and bots and all the things that you can use are coming. Stay tuned and keep on earning. That's it. Thank you.